Look, you got the sauce, bitch.
So the HUAWEI Band 6 is the most recent addition to the HUAWEI Band family of devices. It features a large display than prior generation models. This fitness tracker is currently available in selected global markets and can track your activity, sleep, heart rate, stress, and more. HUAWEI also claims a 2-week of battery life, but how does it perform in the real world? Let's check that out in this video. The HUAWEI Band 6 has a sleek metallic bezel that distinguishes it from other wearable at a similar price point. Compared to more expensive HUAWEI Watch Fit, it has a more rectangular shape. 1.47-inch AMOLED display with 194 by 368 resolution and 64% screen-to-body ratio. The screen is bright enough, but directly sunlight causes glare. Luckily, it doesn't collect fingerprints. The HUAWEI Band 6 comes in black, green, orange, and pink colors. The matte silicone strap looks good, but it feels cheap. The band weighs only 18 grams. It's also very comfortable to wear, and there was no sweat problems in my hand since I was having a better ventilation options, and even if it sweats, nothing to worry, it's already water resistant, so you can wash it and dry it as well. The band's aesthetic styles suggest it could go well with your workout gear. This isn't a watch-like wearable. You can browse the HUAWEI Band 6 by swiping across the screen and pressing the right side button. It is a 5 ATM water resistant and you can easily use it in the pools as well. Over 96 fitness modes are available on the HUAWEI Band 6, which is the major difference between the Honor Band 6 and this HUAWEI Band 6. If you want to watch the Honor Band 6 video, then not to worry, the link is also available in the description as well as in the cards above. Running, walking, pool swimming, indoor cycling, cross training, and machine rowing are just a few of the watch's built-in routines. The heart rate monitoring is provided by the fitness tracker, and the data can be stored in our HUAWEI Health app by using a simple Bluetooth sync option. They did appear to provide mostly accurate readings. The band can also measure your sleep, set timers, alarms, and weather alerts, and receive phone notifications as well. It will start a workout mode if it detects that you are exercising and stops when it detects that you are finished. I found this feature to be hit or miss, and you are better off manually quantifying your workout. Because this tracker lacks GPS, you won't be able to see maps of your exercises. The HUAWEI Health app available for iOS and Android stores all of the HUAWEI Band 6 data. App's interface is simple and has sections for activities, sleep scores, stress, and SpO2 levels. There are detailed explanations of all scores and digits on each card. There are graphs and timestamps for your REM sleeps, deep sleeps, and light sleep cycles. It also offers sleep improvement tips. There are also exercise logs. If you are doing a swimming practice, you will be able to determine which stroke you have used the most. But some sports collects fewer data points. No medically approved pages are linked in the app, unlike competitors. Despite this, the advice appears to be extensive. The app also includes exercise courses. It can help you with run walk, easy training, fat burning runs, and HIIT sprints. When you press the app's button, the tracker begins recording your workout. Your phone must be carried, which isn't ideal for all the runners. And in case you are a user of Strava app, then not to worry. Now you can sync the HUAWEI Health app's data with the Strava app as well. If you want to know how is that done, I have already made a video about that, and the link will be available in the description or in the cards above. For the price, HUAWEI Band 6 has amazing battery life. HUAWEI promises that it can last up to 2 weeks, which appears to be true. I utilizes the band for exercise around 5 times a week and sleep tracking a couple of times, and it helped me to get near to the promised goal. Even when the band's battery level drops below 10%, it lasts several days while performing various workouts. Furthermore, just a few hours of charging will get it back to 100%. The HUAWEI Band 6 lengthy battery life is a significant plus since this is a device with continuous heart rate monitoring. The HUAWEI Band 6 is currently available on Amazon for $90, also recently released in India for 4,490 rupees. The band is priced in the middle of the fitness tracker market. HUAWEI device has a more sophisticated design. The HUAWEI Watch Fit is slightly more expensive, but it has come down in price since its initial release. The watch has improved heart rate tracking and built-in workouts. The HUAWEI Band 6 provides several advantages. It has a long battery life, a large and clear display, and a wide variety of training alternatives, all at a reasonable price. When compared to its competitors, this fitness tracker falls short and is more about style than substance. That's it from me today. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting video. Until then, subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell. Alright, I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish. You are watching Technspice. Bye.